order from Fukada. Get ourselves some good old Japanese food. Here we go. Here we go. Can we make this light? Probably not if we follow this guy. We won't get it if we follow this guy. If we don't follow this guy, we should be able to make it. Here we go. Right turn. Perfect. Just perfect. Slow down. We are about to get to Fukada. We can see the 24 Fitness sign there. Got a gas station here, 7-Eleven. And it looks good today. Looks good. Usually this place here is pretty bad. Hard to find parking, but I think that today we'll be able to find parking just fine, which is great. As we park right in front of Fukada. Fukada is just over there on the right. Fantastic, guys. Huge line as usual, but wish me luck. This was your Google guide here from Irvine, California Woodbridge, and I'll see you in the next one.